Dude, have you tasted wasabi? It's like guacamole. It's like super spicy. Trader Joe's. I went to the dentist and saw that Korean market, but I asked my mom, but she said no, so we went instead to Trader Joe's for I got
all that's
sushi.
in it.
Why is your brother being such a faggot today?
No. Oh my gosh. Okay, wait, let me try a little bit of it.
Did you say is that a wasabi? Like this?
Oh my gosh.
Ginger?
Oh my gosh.
You got snort the wasabi though.
That would hurt as hell.
You didn't see that episode, Jackass?
I did. He was crying about it. He was like, It makes sense. Dude, I gave him buttload of wasabi. Dude, I gave him wasabi. Look at his face. I gave him.
Oh my gosh. Dude, your eyes. Hi. Hey, right? Oh, that was awesome. Oh my god. Goodbye. You done? It's over, yeah.
Check this out. Your eyes are